Donna room here. She use the curtain them. You know, it's not really a curtain. She just use some cloth and just make a space for herself. Can open it though. So, alright, so this is the condition of Miss Donna. You know, as I say, you can see the light coming in from outside. You know, all the zinc walls them and everything. Same thing with the flooring, it's really ill and gully, and you can see the roofing, you know, a lot of cardboard and everything. You know, this is how she been living for years, and this is where the kids them sleeps when it comes to nights or whenever, you know. So this is the kids them space, you know. Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
A bit of shelter.
I'm still live.
Happy New Year.
The same to you.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Miss Donna. We do that short coat your room for you. Yeah. I get some fixer up. So we bring your barrel touchdown. Your barrel touchdown. How are you going with the revival? Funeral. What go on the one? You okay? Bring it in, Donna. You can bring it in. Bring it in.
Open the door and take it.
You get the light to the pouch.
No, I like a camera.
Yes, Miss Donna. Happy New Year.
The same to you.
I hope you have
New Year to all of the donors there.
extended
Family. Them. Happy New Year to all of you know.
Yeah.
And thanks to everybody we are helping me, everybody we are sending things to me. We thank you know very much.
I like your New Year hairstyle, Miss Donna. You're looking younger. Miss Donna braid up in a New Year expedition style, you know?
Yeah.
In anything.
December.
Oh, your country?
Yeah, I just have a party. I want to feel back cook in the kitchen.
Oh.
So maybe I have to go down going far. So
Give her a strength.
Saturday put up the hairstyle.
Well, you know, without that, show coat the room. You know, get the wall and smoke. You know, the wall and full of a lot of hole and rocks and everything. So,
yeah.
show coat or them use and patch out everything and smooth it off and everything, you know. So up there look lovely.
You know, last night my dream said it a paint.
Yeah.
And I come to you and said to you, Kino, you know, say gold and white no want at the front. And yeah, I said gold and white, that look nice, yes. Another barrel the spray painting that the same one that we are going on. Yeah, me I said to you, say gold and white, and you say, yeah man, gold and white, that look nice at the front, you know. Yeah.
And what that mean in a dream, gold and white? Gold a good dream? And white, yeah. It's a good dream that Miss Donna. So you know, say it's definitely will complete. You know, so it's a blessing. As I said, nothing is perfect. You know, everything in life sometimes it takes time, and there's a reason for everything. You understand? So we cannot force the issue. We cannot fight the energy. We have to work with the Almighty PS when Him say, "Yo, time is the everything." You understand? So everything is there for a reason. You know, the PS is at the way it is at the minute. So because, as I say, we cannot fight the issue. You know, we have to work with what we can work with. You know, we give thanks to all the support that we've been getting, you know, from then till now, because basically you can say we're in the finishing point. You know, we're just trying to get some tile now towards the entrance, and then the floor now we're getting some oak now for the room them and everything. So we're not far away, because that's where we're at now. We get a sink the other day. I will know this is the beginning of the new year.
Yeah, no, my godmother called me from Brian and said, watch Kino and put up your sink. And he said, yeah. And she said, yes, watch it.
Yeah, man. So, as I say, we're in progress and everything is looking well. I will give thanks for the support so far, you know, and it's more blessings. Because I said, this is where you're coming from. You never expect you to get a house out of the blue like where you get, you know. So sometimes, boy, the way you have to thank the extended family and the Almighty, boy.
Thank them every day. Me sit down and me and say, boy, look how long I want a house and people when they know me and help me and thank them so much, and I pray to God and I ask God to just guide them and protect them. Already I say my nephew put up the snowstorm where they come like a rain fall but a snow. From here I say a snow but it a come on the grass and I see it on the road and them thing, and I say watch the people up here go through and I send money come me and Stacy sit down with this and I say to her.
Exactly.
I say look the people up here go through a foreign and them still have to go work. And them a send money come give me. Me thank them so much for it. I'm grateful for it. Play, stay outside.
Play.
Go so. Go round.
Play.
Go round and stay around here. And don't come back in.
Play, one play, yeah.
What
So,
now?
as you can see, the people don't really go through, you know. That's why I say we never know where someone's going through when they even send $1. Yeah, because we don't know how for them situation is and where it's coming from, because them see your condition and realize, well, you really need some form of support. And so to all that reach out from then till now, we have to give thanks to them. So basically, we have a lot of viewers, you know. Enough of them might see we are building a house, and I wonder why we're building this house or who we're building for, or them probably never see your situation. So at least I'm here now, so we can highlight them your condition and the reason why we're building this house. So this is where Miss Donna live with 3 kids, right?
Yeah.
3 kids. Where she live is where she catching at the minute, right? Yeah, so she'll go and catch here at one time, and she's been catching here for how much years now? 16 years. So basically she's been praying for some relief, you know. Dream team come and give her some relief for the extended family. So this is Miss Donna's situation, as you can see. This is where we're standing. This is Donna kitchen area. You know, Miss Donna live. This is Donna flooring and everything. As you can see outside, you know, you can stay from inside and see outside. So this is where Miss Donna do all her cooking, you know, place and everything on the table. As you can see where she have her stuff them. So you can show them down here as well to where this is where Miss Donna sleep. This is Miss Donna's room, right?
Yeah.
Can you show them the room, because we always have to enlighten them more and more. Go on forward so we can show them. So this is Miss Donna's room, you know. So imagine living in a condition like this, you know. As I said, we have to really appreciate what we have, you know, to where also people are living at this minute. So you can see boards on top of boards. Well, this place looks like it a collapse, because I can see it falling down, you know. Because there be a piece of board you have up, Miss Donna. So any given time it seems like this can come apart. You know, as you can see, this is Miss Donna room here. She used the curtain them. You know, it's not really a curtain. She just use some cloth and just make a space for herself. Can walk me though. So, alright, so this is the condition of Miss Donna. You know, as I say, you can see the light coming in from outside. You know, all the zinc holes them and everything. The cardboard that patch up for whenever liquor rain are coming in, really too wet up everywhere. You know, and this is a situation for years, as I can see. You know, and this is one. This is Donna brother, daughter. You know, her brother passed away, so she's looking after 2 kids of her brother that passed away.
Yeah.
So this is basically the kids' room, you know, where she make the kids them have for themselves. This is where the kids them is staying. You know, as you can see, the condition of how they're living. So there's 3 of them staying here. You can see the condition of the roofing, you know, as you speak. Same thing you can see from outside, from inside with the light that's coming in through the boards, you know. Same thing with the flooring, it's really ill and gully. And you can see the roofing, you know, a lot of cardboard and everything. You know, this is how she been living for years, and this is where the kids them sleeps when it comes to nights or whenever, you know. So this is the kids them space. You know, you have one bed here where the maid shift, you know, maid shift the bed right here. So you have a single bed here, and you have another bed over here, you know, where they make it happen. So you can see outside from in here. So this is Miss Donna's situation, and this is why the extended family who been there and who reach out to Miss Donna, giving her a helping hand, because of this is the situation how she's living. I would thank you so much for reaching out for Miss Donna. Yes, Miss Donna, so I highlighted that, and your barrel, as you can see the barrel there. Yeah, it's from Blessed Love.
Yeah.
From the UK, you know, send the barrel for you, you know. It's got household stuff as well. It's mostly household stuff in there for your house for when time you move in and thing.
Okay.
You know, so you have a lot of household stuff in the barrel from Blessed Love.
Blessed Love.
And his wife from the UK.
Blessed Love, thank you so much. I see them the other day on the program.
No, they've never been to Jamaica yet. That's not them.
Alright. Thank you so much, Blessed Love.
And his wife.
And your wife. Thank you so much. And I hope God will just guide you and protect you. And your pocket never empty. You always have to help other people like how you help me. Thank you so much. I'm going to pray for you every day, just like I'm pray for the others.
Yeah, so that's one barrel that's definitely what I'm sending for you. Everything is in there for Miss Donna. So I'm set up a sealed barrel there for you and everything. So I have to give thanks to Blessed Love and his wife, blessed wife, as well to, you know, for reaching out and giving us some helping hand, because the help is needed. You know, as we all can see, Miss Donna condition, you know, it's not pretty. I will give thanks here for what we have, and some people don't.
Yes.
I understand. So Miss Donna, young child right there. Sakira. So Miss Donna, youngest, one and only.
Yeah.
Miss Donna, one and only. You know, and this is Miss Donna niece. You know, the next, our brother is not here.
In the tree.
I'm in a tree because her dad passed away. So Miss Donna been looking after them from then till now, you know, and this is where they've been staying, you know, for the longest while. So this is why we're asking for the support to help out to try to finish off Miss Donna project, so she can at least have a comfortable living space, you know, have a comfortable kitchen, you know, where she can actually have a nice cooker, you know, feel a different giant cooking in her lovely kitchen, you know, Miss Donna. So we give thanks. So then, as I say, everything is time, and we appreciate the time we get so far, and we appreciate how far we reach already, you know. And as I say, we never set a date or anything or when we can finish, but whenever the Almighty said it's time, it is time. You know, we have to have faith and have hope. That's how it will happen, you know.
Yeah.
So we give thanks, and let's go on with the faith, see me, Donna.
Yeah, man, you're holding.
Continue to pray and hope for the best here, because
I got me and Stacey sitting on that, but Stacey said, Donna, already you continue praying. God will go help you if yours finish and you're going like one. So you just ask God for us. help further, push it further for me. That's we can get it to live in a bit.
I already asked for your house, you know, right? So
Yeah.
you don't have to ask him nothing more.
I'm
More that the whole thing you have to just pray for now is
yeah.
thank you, give thanks, gratitude
Give thanks
because
everything we have
you
got.
already have a house already that we
Yeah.
never have before. So
Just give him thanks.
class already done.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you already asked and
Like
that's
when
why
we
it's
go
clear.
church, and I talk to my pastor, them and testimony, and I say, I thank everybody who helped me. It reached so far, and I just thank God. If it wasn't for him, I couldn't get it, and it wouldn't reach that far.
Exactly.
So we get something to live.
So that's how we can always give thanks because
Yeah.
we already have a house, but it's just time. Understand that we cannot set a time in time Almighty tell us say yo Kino it's time. And when that time they come it will definitely come once we have life.
Yes.
Have faith and have hope. And just pray for that.
Yeah, man.
Right? Then I just take care, yeah?
Yeah, man.
And you just enjoy what's in your barrel.
Yeah,
And
yes.
everything. So blessed love, we give thanks again once more from
Give
blessed
thanks,
love.
blessed love.
From the UK and his wife, blessed wife.
Yeah.
Then Donna.
Yeah.
Them stuff. I'm gonna put the thing on by the walk over. Yeah. The grey one.
See you on the whole life.
So go back over it again?
Yeah, man. That's what I'm doing right, that's what. Just take it clear to get it.
That's the Lord.
Yeah. Who wants to live? That crank here, that crank is 200 million by baseball team or the man want to eat €5 million. You buy the rookie Ukraine ball and the man eat to buy the man on the Chelsea and
Big man.
well, I'm more than no. And the rate there, man, the manager control them cranky. Wicked Ukraine ball up strong up beside them, call them a Ukraine nil, man. It's a club I got for the man, you know. Free to pay a bag of money, you say man from Arsenal. You pay the money, you make different club, I go pay the how much million to the man. Chelsea or Man City want the man. Yeah, 65 million.
Watch her now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.